Hi, I am Mohammad Nashid PK, 4th semester computer science student. Today I am taking the seminar on the topic token bus. Introduction. This presentation covers the token bus network protocol, its structure, operational mechanism, advantages and applications. The first section is overview. Definition of token bus. Token bus is a network communication protocol that uses a token passing mechanism. It allows devices on a network to communicate in a controlled manner, minimizing the chances of collisions. It operates by sending a signal around the network, granting the token holder permission to transmit data. History and development. Token bus was developed in the 1980s as part of the IEEE 802.4 standard. It was primarily used in industrial automation and control systems. Over time, token bus networks were adopted for various applications due to their reliability and efficiency in data handling. Importance in data communication. Token bus plays a vital role in data communication. It ensures orderly access to the shared medium, which is crucial for preventing data collisions. This mechanism greatly enhances the efficiency and reliability of data transmissions in complex network environments. The section 2 is technical structure. Physical layer specifications. The physical layer of token bus operates over coaxial cables or fiber optics. It defines the electrical and mechanical characteristics of physical media, including data rates that can range from 1 to 10 MB per second. Data link layer protocols. At the data link layer, token bus employs medium access control (MAC) protocols to manage how data is sent and received, utilizing a token passing technique to control access to the network. Next one, network topology. Token bus networks typically features a bus topology where all devices are connected along a single communication line. This topology can support multiple devices without significant performance degradation. Third section was operational mechanism. Token passing procedure. In token bus networks, a token is circulated among all devices connected to the network. A device can only send data when it holds the token, ensuring that only one device transmits at a time, thereby preventing data collisions. Once the transmission is complete, the token is sent to the next device in the sequence. Collision domains. Token bus networks are designed to limit collision domains, making it possible for multiple devices to communicate without interference. Since transmission is token controlled, only one device can transmit at a time, greatly reducing the chances of packet collisions and increasing the overall efficiency of data transmission. Network control and management. Effective management of token bus networks involves monitoring token circulation and ensuring that the token is not lost or corrupted. Network managers can implement protocols to reinitialize the token if necessary, and they often utilize diagnostic tools to troubleshoot and maintain optimal network performance. fourth section is advantages of token bus. Efficient data transmission. Token bus networks facilitate efficient data transmission by eliminating collisions and ensuring that each device has equal access to the network. The predictable nature of the token passing mechanism allows for deterministic data flow, which is particularly beneficial for real-time applications. Scalability. One of the key advantages of data bus is its scalability. The network can accommodate additional devices without significant alterations to the existing setup. It allows for easy integration of new nodes, making it suitable for growing organizations that require flexible network solutions. Reliability and error handling. Token bus systems are inherently reliable. The controlled access method minimizes errors related to data transmission. In addition, built-in error handling processes can detect and correct certain types of errors, enhancing the integrity of data being transmitted across the network. The fifth section is applications. Industrial automations. Token bus is widely used in industrial automation systems where devices must communicate in a reliable manner. Its ability to handle real-time data flow and control processes makes it ideal for manufacturing and production environments. Building automation systems. In building automation, token bus protocols are used to manage various systems like lighting, HVAC, and security. It allows for centralized control, improving energy efficiency and enhancing the overall functionality of modern buildings. Comparison with other protocols. When compared to other networking protocols such as Ethernet or Token Ring, Token Bus offers unique advantages in controlled environments. Its token-based mechanism can outperform competitive protocols in terms of collision management and efficient bandwidth usage. Now here the conclusion.